Introduction to Effective Online Workshops.
Online whiteboards have transformed remote collaboration. Facilitating a great workshop means more than opening a blank canvas. It takes careful planning and skill. In this tutorial, you'll master a 5-step process for leading engaging, productive virtual workshops, ensuring every participant is involved and your workshop goals are met.
Step 1. Set clear objectives and prepare.
Before your session, define your workshop goals and outcomes. Choose an online whiteboard tool that fits your needs, such as Miro, Mural, or Google Jamboard. Set up the board with templates, prompts, and organized sections to save time and reduce confusion during the workshop. Share access and instructions with participants ahead of time.
Step 2. Foster participation from the start.
Begin the workshop with a brief icebreaker activity on the whiteboard. Explain the tool's features so everyone feels comfortable contributing. Encourage all participants to add notes or vote on ideas. Setting a welcoming tone ensures everyone feels empowered to participate.
Step 3. Facilitate focused collaboration.
Guide the group through activities like brainstorming, mapping, or prioritizing ideas. Stay on schedule and use features such as sticky notes, drawing tools, and color coding. Ask open questions and prompt quieter participants, maintaining engagement. Use the chat or timer feature to keep discussions lively but on track.
Step 4. Capture decisions and next steps.
As your workshop progresses, clearly document key decisions and actions within the whiteboard. Use visual markers or sections to highlight outcomes. Summarize what's been agreed upon and assign responsibilities so everyone knows their next steps before the session ends.
Step 5. Share and follow up.
After the workshop, export and share the completed whiteboard with all participants. Recap main points and next steps in a follow-up message. Encourage additional feedback or questions. This ensures clarity and helps keep momentum going after your online workshop wraps up.